So I thought it would be a good idea to just kind of make a video about something I don't think too many people know in 2016. If you're ever in a jam and you need to use a SD card in a computer that does not have an SD card reader in it, like this one, you could go ahead and get a USB card reader like this. But if you do not have one, you could just pop an SD card in there, and then you know the deal, pop it into an available USB port. But if you don't have that option right there, then you can just go ahead and I'll do it with this one here. This is a 32 gigabyte SanDisk. We're going to go ahead and just we'll just pop it into the adapter. This is a little tough to do one-handed. I'm going to grab a 3M floppy disk here. And just go ahead, and I don't know how I'm going to do this one-handed. It's a little bit tough. I'll just set this down. So you just take the floppy and you open up the dust cover. Just pop that in there like that. Now you've got a SD floppy. And then you just go ahead and, let me get the screensaver off, just go ahead and pop that in there. And it's going to start reading. It's a little bit slower than a card reader, but it does indeed work. Just give it a second. There you go. There's autoplay popping up. I'm just going to go back to my PC there. You'll see. There it is, 3.5 floppy A, 28 gigabytes free of 29.7 gigabytes. There it is. Go ahead, click on it. You should see. We'll go ahead and play this video here. It's one of my favorites. See the SD card being read from time to time as the computer accesses it. You can copy files. There you go. You got it right on the hard drive or SSD. So that's just a little pro tip in case you're ever in a bind. Go ahead and pop that out. We'll see the autoplay window disappear, or not the autoplay window, but the Explorer window, and there it is. You know, when you're done, you just pop it out. Here, we'll even, you know what? We'll take it a step further. We'll do one more. We'll do another. We'll do the 16 gigabyte one. This is a card that is falling apart. I can't see if I can demonstrate it. It's always write protected because this the lock fell off the side, and of course I can't really. But it's disintegrating. It's in pretty bad shape. So we'll go ahead and pop that in there. This will still read it. If we do that, I'll pop that in there. This one has some trouble reading, so I might pop it in. It might not work. Oh, there you go. I'll just wait for that. Got Celery Man here.
Got an oyster smiling. Could I see a hat?
Got Beavis and Butthead from 1995.
Beavis and Butthead are not roll.
Let's get started, people.
Check out Mrs. Dickey.
And that's just running right off the floppy. Pull that one out. I don't know what's on this one. Oh yeah, classic.
Your MC double test. DP, that's the disc protector. For you and the posse, that's the artist. Writers, designers, and programmers that work up the images for games. One leads you to the end of the computer age.
Can't read it because I popped the disc out. It was actually reading off of that disc. So there you go. Just a little pro tip for anybody ever in a jam. You can indeed use a floppy disk to read, or a floppy drive to read SD cards. So keep that in mind when you're working on vintage systems.